right now I'm at Beauty World. I am going to eat first before I'm going to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve Park. I'm wearing my yoga type outfit already, and my battery camera is fully charged. They say like it's on the level 4, the food centers. Let's see. And yeah, today I also have my sound healing session. Hopefully I could make it. Nah, I can't be longer. So there are many food here. So I don't know about my slow travel vibes. I kind of want to see more, but I also don't want to make myself a little bit too tired. Yeah, so I just like go with the flow. I also wanted to, actually I need to like go somewhere and not knowing where to go and just see what's up. I'm gonna do that maybe tomorrow. Oh, I took off my headset as I'm hearing now more of a nature sound, real nature sound. So I would say no need music. I just need the voice of the nature. And now we are going to hike. I'm already feeling tired, but I think I'm going to spend 1 more hour and then I'm going to take a taxi to the sound healing, I guess. Whatever, girl, because I cannot walk any more longer and I want to spend more time here. So in fact they do have this hut. It's called Gaharu Hut. This is what we could really learn from Singapore. They do really consider their nature reserve. They do, like in the city, they do know how to make a good city, good well-life balanced city. This is it. Really, because there's I finally reached the Hindhede Quarry. I couldn't speak that much before because I saw a person doing the meditation and I know he would need that silence. So, but now it's gone and I can talk. So yeah, this is the, actually, like, if you could see, it's like a mirror. And it's better when it's on the camera. Wow. So in Singapore, they do have Minister of National Development. I think we need type of minister like this because, you know, they focus on developing the country, the well-being of the people, and work-life balance and everything. So yeah, such an inspiration. This tree seems like so skinny, like this. Do you have this reflexology walk? I don't need to go to the spa then. Hola, friend. Hola. Hola. now finally arrived at Subi Yoga. Let's go inside.
Bye.
So good afternoon. I'm just finished. I don't know what a dessert or coffee. I think I haven't drank coffee today. So let's see if they do have coffee here, which is called Perkins. So currently I'm really craving for a waffle. And I'm going to now to Vivo City to eat some waffle and
Move the
find
station and taking upscale.
Hi! So I just had amazing food in Marche. It was fresh pasta, just like what I want. But I didn't find waffle because they closed, and I was fasting by March. So I didn't continue to find waffle. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna eat the waffle. I already had also the butterfly bun. So yeah. So now I'm going to the actually I want to shower. But let's see. I wanted to go to the supermarket here. It was my old spot again, and see there is this one amazingly paratha, frozen paratha, and yeah, I would love to see it. So guys, I decided to shop. I went past to the shops and just literally buying stuff. Good evening. Oh, good evening. I didn't really do my makeup, but I'm going to put it ahead. I'm really curious because that one was one of the most favorite club slash bar in Singapore. There's also one in Bali. So put it ahead. If it's good, then I'll go to home. But if it's not, maybe continue to the exclusive. Let's see. So this is the area. I think seems like among the so this is the potato head. I don't know, it looks quite not really many people. Let's see. So as you can see, there is barely no one here. I think the culture of the Singaporeans is only they come here only for a party. They don't really come here for a lifestyle or something like just hang out. You know, it's literally empty, and it's really different from Bali. Like Bali, it's every day happening and etc. So this is color shock for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna have a small dinner here, and then maybe we'll try to see what's up. So this is the small dinner that I talked about. It's a mushroom toast with truffle and the sauce. So good. Let's go. So I just finished. Oh my back! The behind me is the Marina Bay, the potato head and the exclusive. Oh my god! I wanted to scream. Wait, there was no one. Like nightlife is dead, and it's funny because like I didn't even think like it could be that dead. Where everyone going? And I mean I don't need to want to find out, but it's crazy. I wanna laugh. So Singapore really quiet at night, and then I'm in the middle. Oh, I think that's my bus. Okay, let's go. Yeah, you can really feel the vibe of the city at like this point. Hi guys, buenos dias. So right now I'm at the Dempsey Hill area. I'm going to open farm community, open arm. So with open arms, with open heart. I'm sorry. So yeah, actually it's earlier than I thought, because I thought I was going to the botanical garden, but I don't think, because maybe I would like to have my brunch first. But yeah, let's see if I could go there earlier. Maybe have some tour, farm tour before, and then maybe I would like to go to the botanic garden. Let's see. So this is the black card something from Open Farm Community. I got coffee by the way. Good vibe. And yeah, it's really, I'm really curious what is it all about, because I saw it on my Teen Vlog magazine, and this is the only, there's two actually, but this one is like the proper one, you know, that they suggest. The other one is kind of more like I forgot. So I decided to come here. Right. So here's the farm that they took. Unfortunately, I tried the pak choy that they gave. It was kind of, sorry, it was a bit bad. So I'm not really happy with my black cod fish. But yeah, it was the fish was nice though. The fish was nice. It's just that the pak choy wasn't really fresh. They observed a lot of fishy taste to it. I think they should give a little more consideration in picking the vegetables that we pair with the black cod. Black cod? Yeah, this is it. The open, they say it's an open to farm to it's called. So yeah, I was happy at the first bite, half bites, but then towards the end I felt like the pak choy absorbed a lot of fishy taste. They could have picked another veggies, I would say, to pair it, so they don't really absorb the fishy taste. Would I recommend? I haven't tried another food. I think I heard their pasta is good, so maybe I would say it's 7 out of 10. The coffee was nice. Actually, I'm going to Botanic Garden after this. It's kind of a bit hot, right? In the afternoon, and maybe I will go to the beach. East Coast Park, here we go. Garden was a history. This is the birds. The birds gallery of Botanic Garden. There are many. I didn't know they have many birds. The more diverse it is, the more birds are coming, right? Wow. Like this one. Look at that robot. I don't know what it does. That's great. Look at the lake too. Oh my god, I don't see the lake. I don't know where to go. I'm just like going around, but I hope that I didn't get lost, because I need to get to the door or something to take a bus or MRT. Oh, look at this. Like Komodo, but smaller one. What are they trying to find? My god, I realize here there are so many gardens. So many gardens. How could they really put an effort? It's really a long time to go in, like in the noon. It's so hot. So I almost stopping by this. Let's say I almost step on it. Look, chilling in the under the sun. I'm going there, my buddy. Okay, don't move. All right, good boy. All right, so hot, but it's here. rainforest trail. In Indonesia, I couldn't be like this is like proper trail. I need this in my country. So I'm taking my break here on the bench. They do have so many branches and stuff, so many gardens. I couldn't imagine how. I believe it's more than 100 years already, but wow, good job, Singapore. So I decided to get off from the MRT and just take bus maybe or whatever it is, and just put myself to the unknown. This is really interesting. Let's see, wish me luck. I accidentally arrived in Chinatown. I think I'm gonna find something here, maybe a waffle again. Yeah, I'm thinking to go back to my hotel and rest a bit, so I could go until 9. Is there a waffle here? I need a waffle. Okay, let's try these while waiting for a waffle. I think there are many non-halal food, so let's check that side. So, because I wanted to get rest instead at the hotel, I would buy food here and just eat it in the room. I bought some pasta, and yeah, that's nice. And yeah, I don't know what else to buy. I think I have a fair amount of snacks already, because I'm also a snack. So I finally arrived. I'm really happy that I decided to come here in East Coast. Memories! I think I'm gonna go for the any wheel. I saw everyone is wearing a wheel. Okay, let's try. So this flower, we used to have it in our old house, and it used to be like drinking the brand itself, but I don't think it's here. It used to be sweet, so I think I'm gonna find some drink instead of drinking the flower water. So, oh, they have a night lime, so my bike is here. I don't know how many minutes but I topped it like $20 and I couldn't top up it less, and tomorrow I'm going to leave Singapore. So, oh, it's already 46 minutes. Alright. That's great. Maybe I will just go and see. I don't know also where to go after this. Like I'm enjoying my time here. I was thinking to go to Marina Bay Sands. I thought it's going to be tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to, or I could go to IMM. Let's see. So I have found my old favorite wake activities. I didn't have this in Jakarta. They do have in Bali, but I think they closed. I want to go, but tomorrow is my last day. There's a gym pot right here where you could have your gym anywhere, anytime. It's 24 hours. That's something. Hi, buenos dias. So right now I'm at Kaylee's. I'm trying this new coffee in Orchard. I thought it's good, a little bit better, and I asked them to add more sugar in it. And now I'm going to Como Shambhala. I'm trying the mindfulness meditation. It's just nearby, and maybe I will go to the National Gallery and maybe I will see some design Orchard. It's like a local brand kind of soul. And yeah, and then I will go home. I might just strolling around Jewel to see and not, you know, like getting myself. I want to explore more of Changi because I haven't been to Changi Airport since like departure since like 10 years, almost 10 years. We're currently at Kalo Sambala. Now I'm ready for my meditation. Just finished meditation. Look at this. I was thinking like, okay, careful on my coffee, and I accidentally felt the spots. So meditation today was really good. I had extended discussion with the guru. That was nice. That was such a opening, awakening things about this, and yeah, I think this Komo Shamba was really nice. I think it's really great for, you know, the wellness to really do things for yourself. I think they should have this in Jakarta or Indonesia, because the thing about Jakarta is could be credited as the most stressful city. So they should have something like this, you know. Our people doesn't really used to have the meditation or anything, like they just know running. Okay, it could be a meditative state, but you know, we should recognize that, and in a different perspective, different way. I think that could be an answer. Like Bali, you know. I know Bali is not perfect, but we need this type of wellness hub. Anyhow, fun thoughts. It's almost 3:30. Probably I'm going to National Gallery, Singapore. It will be, I think, my last spot before I'm visiting airport to Jewel. It was quite a quiet journey. 8 days, I think, is a perfect time for you know, holiday. I think it's a perfect time for perfect length to really take a break from your work, from everything. Just look back and see what you like, what you feel, something like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna be here for a couple of minutes, taking in all the lessons that I learned. Hopefully my coffee is good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so there's a self-guided tour regarding the Gallery Wellness Festival, and you can see here, this is something new for me. Okay, that's great. So how to art with friends, and this is on also the slow art guide. This is a poems, the colors, the shape of feelings. I think this is great. I think there are many poems here also. Oh, there's 2 poems, 1 poem. So I'm really excited about this slow art. Let's see what resonates with me. currently at the Gallery 1. This looks like, because I watched Bridgerton before, and it feels like a Bridgerton hall, like a drawing room. Look at this. Oh, I showed you. I simply really like the part. Like I felt I wanna cry, viewing all this history, especially the tiger Raden Saleh. Wow, so many Indonesian history here. Hi. Oh, I was so sleepy in the taxi. I was like, but then thank God I saw the door one, because otherwise I was walking in. So I don't know if I should go inside directly or should I go to the Jewel first for the last time. I think I'm going to the Jewel because I have like around 1.5 hours. I'm probably going to eat Shake Shack in the Jewel. Let's see. Quiet here. Thank God that I have time to visit National Gallery Singapore. Probably it's good to end my last activities there. A lot of takeaways. A lot of things to inspired on. So yeah. Bye Singapore! Abundance, affordable.